Stop system errors from slowing you down with automatic alerts on key status changes using Zapier. Let me show you how it works. In order to get started with this workflow, I need to create a Zap by clicking the button on the left-hand side of the screen. I want to check for certain errors on my RSS feed. To do that, click the trigger button and type in RSS by Zapier. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click New Item in my feed as my event and then click Continue. Setting this as the trigger means that anytime a new item is posted in our feed, it's going to run this workflow. We'll then need to set up our trigger apps data. Select the feed URL you'd like to use for your Zap and click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our first action. We'll want to identify which RSS items are giving us key problems. To do that, we can use tools such as the Filter tool or the Formatter tool. For this Zap, I'm going to use the Filter tool. Click on the Action button and then type in Filter into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. From there, you can select the parameters you'd like to use as identifiers. For this Zap, I'll say I want to trigger the action step to run only if the title contains the word error, and then I'll click Continue. The Zap should then say that it would not have continued for this test data. If you see that message, you can click Continue again, which will lead you to the next action screen. For this Zap, we'll want to notify our teams of any issues we might be having. You can use tools such as Slack or Microsoft Teams to do this. I'll use Slack. I can type in Slack into the search bar and click Send Channel Message. Next, if you click on the Account tab, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. And there you have it, a simple Zap that helps stop system errors by giving you automatic alerts on status changes. I hope this was a helpful demo. And if data systems aren't your thing, Zapier helps anyone connect apps and automate work. No coding required. You can sign up and start for free.